Alright, so today I wanted to talk about this door sealing that you see here and how to replace it. As you can see, it's all ripping apart and it doesn't hold the seal anymore. If I close the door, the sealant here is busted up and it doesn't make a good seal. And what we're going to do is remove this weather stripping and replace it with new weather stripping. So there's different types of door weather strip that you can get, and you can see how this is in there. It's not glued in. It's actually called a Kerf weather strip, and you can see there's like a barb in there that goes into the door jamb. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this seal, and it's very easy to do. Alright, so the most important measurement is basically where it meets up against the door side here, the door frame. So if you measure this right here, like I am doing here, you can see that mine is about 1/2 inch wide. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's flushed here with the door frame itself. So this is a very important measurement right here, and it's about 1/2 inch, and the measurement here on this side is about 5/8. So that's basically all you need to know about your measurements, and then you can go ahead and buy the replacement and install it. And we're going to show you how to remove this completely. As you can see, it's all busted up, not making a good seal anymore, and we're going to remove it and we're going to install it. Very easy to do. Alright, so basically what I'm doing here is just using a putty knife to go ahead and loosen up the existing seal, and then I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out of that channel, the Kerf channel. I'm going to go ahead and take the same putty knife and just clean the channel really good for the replacement seal. And I'm basically using a Foreskin Elite Choice seal. And here I'm cutting the seal at a 45 angle on all the corners. And then I'm going to go ahead and push it in with a crowbar, and I'm pushing that Kerf weather strip right into the channel on the door jamb. When you do go ahead and close the door, you want it to touch the seal, but you don't want it to crush the seal. That's very important. And you can see all around the door we have the seal, and that's how you replace a weather strip that's failing and not working with a new one. Very simple to do, and I hope this has been informative. And if you like this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.